Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to set up GitHub in NetSuite. If you're a developer or a team leader looking to enhance your coding practices, you'll want to stick around. We'll show you how to integrate GitHub with your NetSuite environment to make managing your code smoother and more efficient. GitHub is a powerful tool for version control that can help you track changes in your code and collaborate better with your team. In this tutorial, we'll cover the key features of GitHub integration within NetSuite and guide you through the setup. The perfect solution, whether you're doing simple customizations or major projects. Some of the key features of GitHub integration in NetSuite are: keep track of every code change and easily revert to previous versions when needed. Multiple team members can collaborate on the same project simultaneously without conflicts using branching and pull requests. Streamline your deployment process with GitHub Actions to automatically publish updates to your NetSuite environment. Use GitHub's issue tracking to monitor bugs and enhancements in your customizations. Maintain comprehensive documentation within your repository to onboard new developers and keep the team informed. In this video, we are going to GitHub integration in NetSuite. Easy setup and practical demo. First up, we need to get SuiteCloud CLI installed. Open up your command prompt and type the following command: npm install -g at oracle/suitecloud-cli. The -g here is to install it globally so you can access it from anywhere. Once that's installed, it's time to create a project folder. Run this command: SuiteCloud project create -i. The -i flag is for interactive mode, so it'll guide you through the setup. Select the type of project. In my case, I'm choosing Account Customization Project. Give your project a name. Make sure it's something meaningful. And when it asks about adding a testing environment, select Yes. Now let's check that everything's been set up correctly. Open File Manager and navigate to the path that command prompt showed you. You should see a folder with the name you just provided. Congrats, the project is ready. Now that the project is created, we need to get into that folder. Simply run cd project name, replace project name with the actual name of your project. Let's connect your NetSuite account with the SuiteCloud CLI. Run this command: SuiteCloud account :setup. You'll need a token ID. If you already have one, great. If not, no worries. I'm creating a new one for this demo. This will take you to the NetSuite login page where you enter your account details, password, and choose your role. I'm logged in with Administrator. Now, for the fun part, importing your script files from NetSuite. Use this command to import: SuiteCloud file.import, paths, path to file in NetSuite. For this demo, I'm importing a script called savepopup.js from the Suite Scripts folder. SuiteCloud file.import, paths, Suite Scripts, savepopup.js. You should see a success message in command prompt. To double-check, go to your project folder, src/filecabinet/suitescripts/savepopup.js. There it is. Next up, we're going to link our project to GitHub. First, initialize Git in your project folder. Git init. Then, link your GitHub repository by running git remote add origin. Don't forget to replace with the actual URL of your repo. Before we can commit, we need to add our files. Sometimes you'll run into a warning if you've already committed something, so first, use git add renormalize dot. Now, let's commit those files to GitHub with a message. Run this command: git commit m testing commit. Here, -m is for the commit message, and I'm using testing commit for this example. You'll see a message listing all the files being committed, including our save popup.js. Finally, let's push these changes to your GitHub repository. Run the following: git push origin master. Open GitHub and you should see a notification that there's been a new pull request in your repository. Head over to your code page, switch to the master branch, and in the src file cabinet SuiteScripts folder, you'll find the save popup.js file we uploaded. And that's it. We've successfully installed SuiteCloud CLI, created a project, imported files from NetSuite, and pushed them to GitHub. To wrap things up, integrating GitHub with NetSuite can greatly enhance your development workflow. By utilizing version control, improving collaboration, and automating processes, you can focus more on delivering high-quality solutions. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tutorials.